Ever signed up for Gemini and felt like you're waiting forever for that sweet verification email? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini account verification, uncovering the factors that influence how long it takes, and offering some tips to speed things up. Let's get started. First things first, why even bother with verification? Well, it's all about security. Gemini, like most reputable crypto platforms, needs to confirm your identity to 1. Prevent fraud and money laundering. 2. Comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. And 3. Protect your funds. So, while it might seem like an extra step, it's crucial for the safety and integrity of the entire platform. Now, the burning question, how long does this verification odyssey actually take? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It can range from a few minutes to a few business days, depending on several factors. Let's break them down. Document quality, this is a big one. Clear, high-resolution photos of your ID, driver's license, passport, and proof of address, utility bill, bank statement, are essential. Blurry images, glare, or missing information can significantly delay the process. Pro tip, use a good camera or scanner, and ensure all corners and details are visible. Document type, some documents are processed faster than others. Generally, government-issued IDs like driver's licenses and passports are preferred. Verification method, Gemini offers different verification levels. Basic verification might be quicker than advanced levels, which often require more stringent checks. Weekend/holidays, if you submit your documents during weekends or holidays, expect potential delays as verification teams might have limited staff availability. Gemini's workflow, sometimes, there might be temporary delays within Gemini's verification system due to increased volume or technical issues. So, what can you do to speed things up? Here are a few tips. Prepare your documents in advance. Make sure they are high quality and readily available. Double-check all information. Ensure your name, date of birth, and address on your documents match the information you entered during sign-up. Submit during weekdays and business hours. This increases the likelihood of your documents being reviewed promptly. Check your email regularly. Gemini will send you email updates throughout the verification process. Contact Gemini support if you encounter any issues. Their support team can assist you with any questions or concerns. Now, let's talk about potential roadblocks. What happens if your verification is rejected? Don't panic. Gemini will usually provide specific reasons for the rejection, such as insufficient document quality, the images are blurry, incomplete, or contain glare. Mismatched information, the information on your documents doesn't match your sign-up details. Suspicious activity, Gemini might flag your account for further review if they detect any suspicious activity. If your verification is rejected, carefully review the feedback provided by Gemini and resubmit your documents with the necessary corrections. While waiting for verification, you can explore the Gemini platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, learn about available cryptocurrencies, and even set up price alerts for your favorite coins. This will help you make the most of your time and get a head start once your account is verified. In summary, Gemini account verification is a necessary step for security and compliance. The time it takes can vary depending on several factors, including document quality, verification method, and the volume of applications. By preparing your documents carefully and following the tips we've discussed, you can streamline the process and get verified more quickly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.